engine mounted on the fuselage of the airplane today is the TPE 331-14 engine. The original TPE 331 engine was certified and entered service in 1965. Since developing our next generation test bed, Honeywell has been able to expand our flight test capability to include not only engines, but also avionics, such as the RDR 4000 weather radar system, ground proximity warning systems, collision avoidance warning systems, and as a technology demonstrator, N757HW has flown to over 25 countries on 5 continents and has been circumnavigated the globe on 2 different missions to demonstrate the latest Honeywell avionics, SATCOM, and connected aircraft systems. So I'd also like to take a minute to talk about the turboprop engine that's on the airplane. So the TPE 331 engine family launched the Honeywell Flight Test 6 bomber by mounting a TPE 331 engine in the nose, and that was our first flying testbed airplane. So the TPE 331 engine, in service since 1965, is installed on over 70 different commercial, general aviation, and military aircraft.
And I certainly understand why you chose that test bed. Having flown that airplane, it's got power, and it's very, very maneuverable.
The airline pilots like to refer to every